Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular C-drama OST Ning Mou by Ding. I chose this song because I like it after hearing it in the China drama Love Game in Eastern Fantasy or 永夜星河. I'll be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily. Just popping in for a few seconds to say that I have a Facebook page, Drama Shows Live, and also an Instagram account, Drama Cream Jiaminyin, where I share the dramas and shows that I love, and also an Instagram account, Musically Entertaining, where I share the Chinese songs that I love. 说不尽缘故，我为何只顾着将你拥住？千万日酸楚，在你泪滴划过我时放逐。说 is say. 清 is clear. 不 is not. 说不清 means cannot say clearly. 缘故 is cause or reason. 我 is I. 为何 is why. 为何 is the formal term. The informal term is 为什么. 只 is only. 顾着 is care about. 你 is you. 永 is hug. 永驻 means hug and never let go. 将 changes the sentence structure. At first it is 我永驻你, which is subject, verb, and object. But when you use 将, it becomes subject, object, then verb. 千万 is 10 million. 万 is 10,000. And 千 is 1,000. So 千 you will add 3 zeros. So it's 10 million. 缕 is thread. Or strand. 酸楚 is grief and sorrow. Zai is at. Ni is you. 泪 is tears. The shortcut is being used. It's supposed to be 你的泪, which is your tears, but it also can imply your tears when it's 你泪 also. D is drip or drop. Hua guo is drawing a line across like this. 我 can be I or me, and in this case it's me. 时 is when. Whatever happens before the 时 will indicate when this thing happens. So in this case, it is when the tear drips draw across me. 放逐 is banish or exile. "今生吻过你眉目，是我的救赎。别哭，吻过你手心纹路，风雪不冷酷。乱世之中你向我凝眸，是我曾重生的一幕。爱过你让我一生满足。今 is this. Shen is life or lifetime. Wen is kiss. Guo makes it a past tense, so kissed. It also can be in the guo can also be in the past. Ni is you. Mei Mu is eyes and brow. Mei is eyebrow, Mu is eyes. Here there's another shortcut because it can be 你的眉目, which is your eyebrow and eyes. But 你眉目 also means your eyebrow and eyes. 是 is. 我 is I, 我的 is mine. 救赎 is redemption. It can also mean salvation or saving one's soul. 别 is do not.哭 is cry. 过 is hold. 过 makes it a past tense, so it's held. Ni is you. Shou Xing is palm. So it's the palm of your hand. Shou is hand. Wen Lu is the lines or the veins. Feng is wind. Xue is snow. Bu is not. Leng Ku is cold or unfeeling or cold-hearted. Luan Shi is turbulent times or troubled times. Zhou is in the midst, during. Is usually used after, like for this case, in the midst of troubled times. Ni is you. Xiang is at or towards. Wo is I or me, and in this case is me. Ning Mou is fixed, gaze. Or focus your eyes upon, or fix your eyes upon, or fix your gaze upon. Shi is. Wo is I. Chen is previously or already. Chongsheng is, this should be a C. C. Reborn. E is one. Mou is seen. De is used to connect the description to the noun. So the noun is Mou, which is one scene. The description is reborn. So the scene that the person reborn. I is love. Guo makes it a past tense, loved. Ni is you. Rang is let. Wo is me. Yi Shen is one life or one lifetime, or my whole life. Yi is one. Shen is lifetime or life. Manzu is contented, satisfied, or happy. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.